Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unblock ads on Android. First, we need to ensure basic app settings are not the cause of unexpected ads. Check your recently installed applications and their permissions within your device's settings menu. Sometimes, a rogue app might be generating unwanted pop-ups, and revoking its display over other apps' permission can resolve the issue swiftly. This simple check takes less than 1 minute. Next, let's adjust your browser and network settings. Many web browsers offer built-in pop-up blockers. Ensure these are enabled within your browser's settings. Additionally, consider setting a private DNS server in your Android device's network configuration. This can effectively block ads across various apps and browsers, often reducing unwanted content by 90% or more with just a few taps. It's a powerful and often overlooked solution. Now, let's focus on individual app permissions. Go into your device's settings, find Apps and Notifications, and then select App Permissions. Carefully review each application's access to functions like draw over other apps or access to usage data. Restricting these permissions for apps that don't genuinely require them can significantly reduce intrusive advertisements. This detailed review ensures your apps are not misusing their privileges. For comprehensive protection, consider a reputable system-wide ad blocking application. These apps typically work by creating a local virtual private network on your device, filtering out ad content before it reaches your other applications and browsers. Look for well-reviewed options available from established developers. Setting one up usually takes less than 5 minutes and can provide continuous ad-free usage across your entire Android experience. Always prioritize privacy and security when choosing such tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.